For the review assignment, the very first problem that we're going to have you work with is a data table, an ordered pairs table that is dealing with a jumping jack experiment. So it's a student that can jump 8 jumping jacks every 10 seconds. So using that information, you would need to fill in the rest of the values here based on that ratio. And keep in mind that these don't necessarily go up by the same amount each time, so be aware of that. A couple of them have been filled in for you. And then on number 2, first what we want you to do is drag the labels to the appropriate places. So which one would be the graph title, which one would be the x-axis title, and which one would be the y-axis title. Then what we want you to do is use the draw tab and plot all of the pairs from this table onto this graph. And you'll see that the ordered pair 10, 8, so after 10 seconds he does 8 jumping jacks. That point is plotted for you right there. Then on number 3, there's 4 ordered pairs that we give you. You need to be able to tell us which axis the ordered pair would lie on. So if you plot that point, is it going to end up on the y-axis or the x-axis? So remember the order of your variables when you're plotting them. Which one goes first, which one goes second. That way you know which one would go on which axis it would go. And then the last problem is we give you a graph and we want you to fill in the blanks for this table. So for example, if my x value is 2, so that's right there, I need to figure out what my y is. Well, that point right there looks like it's at 7. So my ordered pair would be 2, 7. If you have any questions, let us know.